Hey gang, voiceover attempt number 3. I'm going to do a foil cuff video here. This is Foil It by Gel Perfection, the greatest foil gel in the world, and nude satin. The reason for this being the 3rd attempt at a voiceover is because words have just escaped me today. I can't, my tongue doesn't fit properly in my mouth or something. I'm like a babbling buffoon. Babbling? Bumbling. Anyway, so this is Foil It. I'm taking it down the nail. I have taken it far too far down the nail. I'll probably reiterate that in 7 different ways throughout the video. I've got rose gold, hollow, and see what I'm saying? I can't talk. Rose gold hollow and rose gold metallic. I picked the metallic one. I'm popping that over the foil that I have brought too far down the nail. The foil gel, sorry. Oh, I'm a mess. And I'm just rubbing the foil on using a dry lint-free wipe. It's probably well and truly transferred by now, and I'm rubbing so hard that the pop gets stuck to the table. But I do like to just keep rubbing and rubbing until I'm just to be sure. So you'll see in about 3.5 weeks when I stop rubbing the foil, it's transferred. Let it go. You're fine. Oh my goodness me. This is obscene. So yes, you're about to see the error of my ways here. If I eventually... Here we go. Ooh. Come on. There we go. So, I mean, the foil gel's done a great job, but it is too far down the nail. Luckily, there is a saving grace that is the Gel Perfection colours are really nice and opaque. So I did this, I think, in 2 coats. We'll see. We'll see. Keep watching. So the cheat, I'm doing air quotes, those air bunny things here, but you can't see them. The cheat being that you don't have to hand paint the cuff, which, although I would do if I was doing on a client, I wouldn't do it like this. But this is sometimes sort of a bit scurry to try and paint the perfect cuff on all 10 nails if someone was having that. So this way you can just make the shape with the brush from the bottle. It's a lot easier to do it that way. And there you go. So that's going to have a cure. And that blasted foil coming halfway down the nail. What was I thinking? So I'm using the brush again just to neaten up the shape. Or I think I've got a bit of a liquid eyeliner situation going on here where I go to neaten it up and then make it bigger. So neaten that up and then make that bit bigger. But you catch my drift. So yes, I'm very aware of my boo-boo, as in the mistake. It's not like an innuendo. Anyway, that's being cured, and this is Diamond Gloss. I'm going to do a generous layer of this just to smooth out the ridge between where the foil is and the gel. Obviously we've got 2 coats of the colour and only 1 coat under the foil, so there is a slight ridge, so I'm just putting a bit more product over the foil to smooth that out. You'll see, I do think I show you that the ridge is very minimal, and it doesn't affect the light line, which is always a good way to know if something's uneven or not, if you've got a nice straight light line. So I do show you here, I believe, pointy, and then there. So it's not that drastic at all, but obviously it would probably be less if I didn't go as far down the damn nail with the gel. So, oh, this is new. Bing! So do that. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.